If you think black holes are the most extreme things in the universe, it's only because you haven't heard of neutron stars yet. These cosmic anomalies defy every law of physics we know, compressing an absurd amount of matter into a ridiculously small space. Imagine something more massive than the sun squeezed into the size of a city. Yes, that exists, and it's even stranger than it sounds. But what truly makes these stars so fascinating? Not only are they born from explosions that can outshine an entire galaxy, but they also challenge time, space, and even our very understanding of matter. Some spin faster than airplane propellers, while others have magnetic fields so powerful they could wipe out all your electronic data if they were close enough. And that's not all. These stars are also responsible for creating some of the most valuable elements on Earth, including the gold you might be wearing right now. But how does all of this happen? How can something so small be so dense, so powerful, and so absurd? Get ready for a journey into the unknown. Because when it comes to extreme phenomena in the universe, neutron stars are among the greatest mysteries science has ever encountered. On the vast stage of the universe, where galaxies dance in a gravitational ballet, there exist objects so extreme that they defy human comprehension. Neutron stars are one of these entities. Formed from the death of massive stars, they are small yet unimaginably dense. Imagine taking all the mass of the sun and compressing it into a sphere just 25 kilometers in diameter. Sounds impossible? Well, that's exactly what happens. The density of these stars is so surreal that a single sugar cube-sized piece of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. To put it into perspective, if a tiny fragment of a neutron star were to fall here, it would shoot straight through the planet like a bullet through paper. And the most astonishing part? They spin so fast that they can complete hundreds of rotations per second.
Hey, I need your help to be saved from falling into space forever. All you have to do is like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.
If these stars already seem mind-blowing, just wait until you learn what happens at the moment of their formation. It's an explosion so intense that it can outshine an entire galaxy, if only for a brief moment. But that's a story for the next topic. The death of a massive star is neither silent nor subtle. It unfolds as a cosmic spectacle worthy of a grand gala event. When a giant star exhausts its nuclear fuel, gravity, once balanced by the pressure from fusion, takes over completely. In a matter of seconds, the core collapses, triggering a supernova explosion so violent that it can shine brighter than billions of stars combined. To grasp the sheer power involved, the energy released in this event is comparable to the total light output of an entire galaxy. If a supernova were to occur just a few light years from Earth, it could be visible even during the day and outshine the stars at night. But what remains after this dazzling display? The compressed core gives birth to a neutron star, or, in some cases, something even more enigmatic, a black hole. But before we dive into even more extreme cosmic fates, it's worth understanding the mind-boggling density that these stars can reach. Now, get ready for a serious reality check. Neutron stars are so dense that if we could take all of humanity, every living person, along with their cars, houses, and everything else, and compress it, it would fit into something the size of a grain of rice. Yes, that's the level of compression we're talking about. But it's not just the density that's mind-blowing. The gravity around these stars is so extreme that light itself bends noticeably when trying to escape. This means that, from certain angles, we can see not only the front of the star, but also part of its back. The space surrounding it is so warped that it completely defies our intuition about how the universe works. And if you think Earth's gravity is intense, try imagining what happens near a neutron star. If a person were to hypothetically approach one, they would be stretched into oblivion in a process known as spaghettification. Not exactly a pleasant fate, but an excellent reminder of just how bizarre these stars truly are. Now, if their density is already astonishing, wait until you find out what happens inside these stars. If you think the sun's heat is unbearable, neutron stars take that concept and throw it out the window. Their surfaces can reach temperatures exceeding 1,000,000 degrees Celsius, turning them into true cosmic furnaces. But as extreme as that sounds, what happens inside them is even more bizarre. The interior of a neutron star behaves like nothing we know on Earth. The pressure is so immense that atoms are crushed, creating an ultra-dense soup of neutrons. And here's a fascinating detail. Within their inner layers exists something called nuclear pasta, the strongest material in the universe. Breaking it would require a force 10 billion times greater than what it takes to shatter steel. In other words, if we could somehow construct something from this material, we'd have an almost indestructible shield. But neutron stars aren't just hot and dense. Some of them spin at mind-blowing speeds, while others hide an astonishing magnetic secret. If you thought a spinning top was fast, wait until you learn about newly formed neutron stars. Some of them rotate hundreds of times per second, carrying the momentum of the original star. This effect is so extreme that if a mountain existed on their surface, it would be flattened instantly by the star's frenetic spin.
Hey, I'm still falling. You haven't subscribed to the page yet, right? Please, it's really important. Your support motivates us to keep making videos and improving every time. Thanks.
And then we have the true cosmic anomalies, magnetars. These are a rare type of neutron star with the most powerful magnetic fields in the universe. To put it in perspective, a magnetar located thousands of kilometers away from Earth could completely erase the data on your credit card and interfere with satellite electronics. The energy released by these magnetic fields is so intense that they sometimes trigger cosmic explosions detectable millions of light years away. But these stars don't just spin at mind-blowing speeds and have insane magnetic fields. They also play a crucial role in the creation of the universe's most precious elements. If a single neutron star is already an extreme object, imagine two of them colliding at incredible speeds. This event, known as a kilonova, releases an absurd amount of energy and generates gravitational waves that can be detected all the way here on Earth. But the impact goes far beyond that. These collisions are the true factories of gold, platinum, and other precious metals in the universe. That's right. The gold in your wedding ring or watch may have been forged billions of years ago in the collision of two neutron stars. These events scatter heavy elements across space, which later become part of new planets, and even life itself. Essentially, we're carrying tiny remnants of these cosmic catastrophes within us. And while neutron stars already push the limits of what we know about matter and gravity, there are even more extreme cosmic phenomena, entities so powerful that not even light can escape, devouring everything around them. But that is a story for another day. Now that you know neutron stars are some of the most extreme objects in the universe, here's the real question. What else is the cosmos hiding? If something this small can hold such an absurd density and gravitational pull, imagine what we have yet to discover. The universe is a vast laboratory, and every new breakthrough reshapes our understanding of reality. So, what impressed you the most? The mind-bending density? The insane rotation? Or the fact that these stars might be directly connected to the gold and platinum we use here on Earth? Drop a comment and let me know which of these cosmic wonders blew your mind the most. But before you go, there's something you need to know. Some ideas about the universe sound like science fiction, but they're real. Take, for example, the theory behind Schrodinger's cat experiment and its connection to Google's quantum chip Willow. If you want to keep diving into the mysteries of the cosmos, check out the previous video, where I break it all down in a simple and engaging way. And of course, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Because when it comes to the universe, there's always something new, strange, and fascinating waiting to be discovered.